What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Caffeine Octane. It's a car show that's only on the first Sunday of every month. It's one of the largest monthly car shows, I believe, in North America. So it's pretty cool that it's here close to Atlanta. This month's special display is BMW M Series and also AMG. It's pretty cool that they do different special displays every month. Like sometimes they do old classics or Jeeps, for example, 90s JDM. They switch it up every month, and it's pretty cool that this month is M Series BMW. So obviously I'm gonna take my F80 M3, and it's pretty cool. I got approved for a special display. So we're heading over there now. We are kind of late. We're supposed to be there at 8:30. It's 8:25 now, and we got a 20-minute drive. I am trying out this new camera. I did end up picking up the Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm trying to get familiar with it and play around with it, mess around with it. But today, I'm gonna probably just walk through the car show, try and film some of my favorite cars, and maybe rate them. What I like about the build, or what would I do, or some of my dream cars. Let's head over there now, and I'll pick up the camera when I get there. We just pulled up. It's so cool seeing all the nice cars just driving on the highway and mobbing with all these cars. It's pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna pull up in here and hopefully they let us in. They should. We have our pass, so. All right, guys, it's pretty packed out here. Hopefully we can find a spot. Just drive around. There is so many cars here. We pulled up, we got one of the last spots, and it's AMG and M Series. So we're mixed up with all the AMGs. And yeah, I'm gonna walk around, show you guys the cars, and show you some of my favorite builds. But it is pretty loud out here. There is a lot of people out here, so we're gonna try to get some content, but we'll see. It's always pretty cool seeing people like walk around my car and just look at my car. It's a good feeling, and when people say they like the car, they like the build, or they watch my YouTube videos or TikToks, it's always inspiring. For everyone that says, oh, they want one, it's pretty cool, but I enjoy it, and I'm glad my build can inspire other people to own one of these cars, because they are fun. I wish everybody could experience it. It's one of the best M cars, I believe. Outside of the E92, I still want to get an E92 M3, but this is pretty sick. Parked right next to the GT4 RS. Dude, the Manti kit on it, oh my gosh. This color is sick. I believe this is a CS. Oh wow, the steering wheel is nice too. The buckets, crazy. Yeah, dang, this is a CSL. Stripes on the hood, on the roof. Dang. On LMs, ballin'. This is actually one of my homies' cars, Loud M3. As you can tell by the name, look at the wrap. It is so loud. On BDS RS2. One day I'm gonna own an E92 M3, but this is ballin'. With the munch inside the wrap, crazy. This car show is sick. I've been coming here ever since I've been into cars. It used to be at Perimeter Mall, now it's here at Town Center Mall. And it's just a big parking lot full of all nice cars, crazy builds. A lot of people come from all over just to be here. And it's pretty cool that it's kind of close to home. Cam's E46 on RS2s, sick, with a cage. Steering wheel is crazy. On bags, sick. Carbon fenders. What do you guys think about the new G Series M3s and M4s? I used to not like them at first, but they kind of grown on me. Especially like when you upgrade the grills and just add some more aero. Like this one has a lip. I feel like it's pretty baller, especially with the buckets and the dash, all the new technology. Oh, this one's a manual, even better. But yeah, I feel like I like the G80 over the G82, but I know a lot of people like the G82 over the G80 just because it looks more sporty in a way. But I kind of feel the same with the F series, the F80 over the F82. I feel like the F80 looks a little bit better, has the bigger hip lines in the rear, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is crazy. This is an individual color from BMW. Crazy. Everything done to it. Carbon hood. BBS RS2s. Wow. On bags. This is nice. The E30 M3. Actually, my first car that I ever wanted was an E30. And I wanted it super clean. But this is crazy. On the OZ wheels, the wing with the carbon fiber. This is nice.
Yes, sir. I like this one.
The new M2, I don't know, man. I can't get over the front and the rear. I feel like people change the grills, kind of looks good, but then you go around to the rear and I just can't get over these lights, man. Like, what's going on with the rear of the car? Come on, BMW. Like, I know the M2 is sick and all that, but just, I can't get over this. This is, I don't know, it just, I guess if people like change the tail lights, it might look good, but I just can't get over it. I feel like these two colors are my favorite new colors in like the G Series BMW. I believe this is called Gravid Gray. Has like a little gold flake into it. If I were to get one of these, I would either get this color or the Isle of Man green color, as well with the orange interior. I know a lot of people do the Isle of Man green with the orange interior on that car, but this one, I feel like the orange interior on the gray looks amazing. One day in the future, I'll get a G80 M3. I believe this is daily driven exotic. A 720S. Oh my gosh. The 720. That's one of my dream cars right here.
Forget about the actual exotic slot. We have some super cool stuff over in the Warrior, and our super customs are in that lot. And
A McLaren 720 is one of my dream cars. This thing is sick, especially with the vents. Wow. I've never seen one of these in person. The new Lamborghini Revuelto. This is insane.
So what that? What did he say?
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, nice.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is the last Lamborghini V12 that's gonna be made. And this is the last one, the Lamborghini Revuelto. Wow. This color is insane. Oh my gosh. A demon. Ferrari SF90. GTR. The new 992 GT3 RS is insane. It's so sick. Look how wide the wing is. Has active aero. All the fins. And it's a manual. This is the Brabus AMG G-Wagon 6x6. Oh my goodness. Crazy. This thing is huge. This is crazy. Insane. SVJ.
I want to remind everybody that we do not allow drones.
You were definitely showing out last time.
The new electric charger with fake noise. No way. No way. It sounds like a video game.
It actually sounds good.
I've only had it 36 hours. So I'm gonna play with it.
Single turbo G82. Carbon fenders, carbon everything. Brembo big brake kit. Dual calipers. I'm back in my car. Everyone has already kind of left. The parking lot's empty. I had got something to eat, but yeah, it was a good meet. Got to see a lot of nice cars, a lot of exotics, a lot of BMWs. Got some inspiration from some of them. But yeah, it's been a good meet. We are going to go up to Lake Altoona. I might get some shots and just driving around, but it's Sunday, you know, just trying to chill. The car looks so sick with the new carbon hood. I really like it. It ties in a lot, the carbon hood with the roof, the carbon roof, as well as the carbon trunk. I feel like it ties it in all together, just like that one strip of carbon going around the top. But I do have plans for these wheels. These wheels are actually up for sale right now. I am thinking about selling them and getting something maybe BBS, but that's on down the road. So We finally pulled up here to the lake. The cars look sick. I'm gonna end the video right here. I had a good day. We're just gonna chill here at the lake and have a good time. Listen to some music. We're gonna cook something, so yeah, nice little chill Sunday. It's starting to feel pretty good outside, so trying to get some more content for you guys and more videos as it warms up. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.